Hey guys, sorry if I look a little pale. I've been sick for the past couple days, so I haven't really been doing much. Wednesday after class, I stayed after to surprise someone, something, and I was pretty much walking around in the rain a lot, and I got a little cold, and then Thursday I went to school, I had a sore throat, and I went to see the school doctor, and he actually told me, or she actually told me that my blood pressure was so high that she had to send me home because she was afraid something might happen to me. So I've been at home all day pretty much yesterday, and yeah, I'm in my PJs. I have this Care Bear shirt, so don't push it. With me. I'm wearing a sweat. But I'm going to do a tag. Uh, I was tagged by two people, Sappy Baby 12 and Love Hello Kitty Too Much. I think that's his name. I'll put it on the sidebar. But one of them was what's in your purse, and the other one was what's in your bag. So let me do this real quick. Well, this is the bag I carry to school. And it's the clear Hello Kitty bag that I bought from Hot Topic. I have a ball in here because I have a theater class and I need to bring a ball to class. I have a sweater in case I get cold. Sunglasses. I have my planner. A book. I have ballet slippers. I have the ballet slippers for my theater class because we do a lot of moving around, so I'm more comfortable with the ballet slippers. Ways to my keys, my wallet, my cell phone. And I actually have like a whole bunch of pins like, in here. I also have like airheads in the things for like sweets. And I have a folder. I have two bags. This is my makeup bag, and this is my pencil case. The pencil case has Dr. Arts from Hot Topic. There's a little skull on it. I just have a lot of pins in here. My pens, my eraser, kind of thing, flat out, stapler, scissors. Yeah, I'm very prepared for school. Lead, highlighter, staples, a mechanical pencil. I have matches in here because I don't smoke, but I have matches for my theater class. I don't know why, but he told us to bring it. And then I have this, which is like a little mirror and a little brush in case I ever need to tie up my hair. And of course, my makeup bag. I have the Bobbi Brown Tinted Lip Balm in bronze pink. Makeup Forever's Aqua Black Water Cream eyeshadow that I use as eyeliner. Which, by the way, um, that works really well. I'm in love with this. Thank you, Ms. Jackie Chu, for telling me about that. Brush that I use for that. Hand sanitizer, Bath and Body Works. This is cucumber melon. Sephora's lavender blotting paper. I have MAC Studio Fix. This is in NC30. And I actually switched between this one and Benefit Pillow Flawless and Champagne. Like, it depends. This one has SPF, this one doesn't. Um, Sometimes I use the one with SPF, sometimes I use MAC. And I also have Revlon's Lip Moisture Renewous and Naturally Revealing 010. I have Band-Aids because I'm clumsy and I'm accident prone. I have floss. I also have Neosporin to go. And I have napkins and some hair scrunchies. So pretty much, if I was to switch my school bag into a purse and go somewhere, I would pretty much keep the makeup bag and my wallet, cell phone, keys, and that's what would be in my purse. And example of my purse, um, this one. This is a salmon orange color. I actually got this from Aldo recently. It was on sale for $14.98, and I bought that and a couple other purses that were like $9.99. But it was a very good deal. And pretty much, yeah, I would just stick my makeup bag, my wallet, and my cell phone keys, stick that in the purse, and that's pretty much what would be in my purse. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and again, sorry if I'm talking a little soft and I look pretty bad, but I've been sick. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time.